Good afternoon. This is Yogesh from Tirupati HIMS team. In, in today's article of this tutorial video, we are going to present you the token screen flow, benefits and uses and functionality like that. So let's log in the software, and once we log in, we will go to the token display window. The token display window is uses intention to maintain your patient's queue on the respective doctor's cabin wise, and the display also can be connected to TFT or TV screen in the waiting area where all patient can be observed that in which cabin or doctor's cabin they have to go, and what is the running status of his current token, what is the waiting period like that. So this is a token screen window where the respective doctor's name coming and the patient's name, the UHID or token number which is the to go, and after the next patient token number along with UHID and waiting number. So like this way this window can be uh, running on TV screen, as well as also we can make a connectivity of the token display to each doctor's cabin outside, so via this button. So for example we click on this. So currently first patient is patient Puneet, who have token number 20 like that, and he have to go in doctor cabin like this is. So out of various cabin or chamber number we can put a token display connectivity. Along with uh, we also have option to maintain the vitals record and patient's primary diagnosis from this screen. This uses can be also given to nurse or ward boy, so the respective nurse or ward boy will able to mention vitals record. So we there are the 4 patient we can see add vitals except to send the patient to doctor cabin complete, or patient don't come, so we can cancel. So we click on add vital to mention the vitals record of the patient like 120 or 80 by mmHg like that, and pulse rate like 86 by minute, similarly 76 by minute like that. And these are the input box user can mention in the respective window. 16 by minute respiratory rate, diabetes or something like not applicable, and weight is like 56 kg, height is 145. So BMI auto calculated, disease why, what is the primary diagnosis complaint, and how many days the patient is facing these issues, and lungs or both side lungs like that. So we can put the patient's primary diagnosis in this screen, and we can maintain whenever we can send the patient also to respective doctor cabin screen, and doctor will able to see the respective tokens vitals primary information which has been mentioned by ward boy or nurse on the certain patient. This is the one flow of the usage of token display window. As well as if we have a semi connectivity semi digital system somewhere in hospital, small or large clinical user, so token list of patient can be this kind of the patient list with the serial number, date, token number, UHID, patient name can be printed and given to nurse or ward boy to call on the respective token based patient listing like this way. So these are the primary uses of the token display window of this tutorial. If we have to find out any previous record token display, we can have date filter option, apply and search. So on the respect, for example, let's see yesterday's token record. So we get it here, and we'll get that yesterday token date record like that. 7 token was previous date, and the list of also patient we can generate token list like this way. So day to day basis tokens record can be also see the respective doctor basis window, and it can be printed in the system also. So hope this video will be helpful for maintain your token queue management of the patient, as well as the waiting time to be can be identify of the patient, total number of quantity patient to be seen by the doctor. These are the key uses benefits to maintain sequence, so patient will not be fighting each other for primary visiting based on the sequence basis flow. Thank you so much. We will see in the next video with the new advantage and feature of the application. Thank you.